The sun is shining. It's beautiful fire in the daytime. Hello, my beautiful soul friends, soul family, light workers and healers. May you be blessed. I'm wishing you a beautiful day and wishing all of humanity a beautiful, beautiful, sweet, warm, happy, joyful day of feeling connected to our hearts and our spirit, of loving ourselves and others, of feeling connected to our heart and our higher true self, of feeling connected to nature. The birdies singing their beautiful songs, the trees and the plants, the animals and the microbes singing their... Giving thanks for the gift of being alive, feeling grateful to wake up another day here on earth, absolutely loving and appreciating having our friends, our family, our loved ones, our beautiful body, vehicle, holy temple, the vehicle of our soul, and all of the elements of nature, the sun, the fire element, the air element, the water element, and then the earth elements. Living from our hearts and following our highest excitements and the things that make us feel happy and alive and plugged in and nourished and fed on a spiritual, mental and emotional level. Making ourselves feel happy and then giving and loving and sharing with others from our cup that's filled. Looking after ourselves and looking after others, sharing generously, being kind, smiling at other people, including us all as one family, one human family, all the microbes, insects, plants, animals and humans, and all other life forms in the entire universe. Loving and caring for other extraterrestrials and life forms, all beings, we're all one, united and connected, standing together strong as a human family. Reaching out, letting in, letting go, allowing in. Letting go what doesn't serve our highest good anymore, slowly, gradually, peacefully, harmoniously, happily, even enjoyably, with enthusiasm and excitement for the beautiful, brimming future coming our way. Knowing we are meant to be where we are and all good things come to us in good time. Allowing the unfoldment of our spiritual journey here on earth. Resting in surrender, peace, appreciation, gratitude for everything and what's coming our way and where we have been and where we are now. Loving and thanking. Thank you. Sharing, caring.